A block of goods on a pallet doesn't freeze very well. You separate the goods. So we put slats between every layer of the pallet. And that allows airflow to get between the layers underneath the cartons when they're transported to any type of different freezing technology like a blast freezer.
So a lot of product, mainly proteins, what they do is they'll receive it in a facility, put it into a blast freeze cell. The blast freeze cell is between -30 and -40. It's going to freeze those cases, and to deslat would be the operation of bringing the pallet out and removing those slats then from that pallet.
In a normal environment where there's no automation that's there, that process is a manual process.
It's hard work. Most operators consider it the hardest job available in a cold storage warehouse.
Usually it's the highest turnover position of the facility. So what we want to look to do is bring over some automated components that are able to eliminate that additional labor that's required there. It's able to process product quicker, about 4 times the rate of just a normal worker, and it's able to create a cleaner product as well at the end of the day for the end user.
In most instances, it's going to be some form of conveyance from the area that the product is frozen to an inverter table, where the product can be tilted, safely remove the spacers, erect it, and then moving into a shrink wrap solution.
That whole process in a frozen goods warehouse is kind of the most difficult one to deal with, and we have a number of different solutions to either automate the process or just make it easy on the operators.